Yes, Frank, good afternoon. I look at the document that you showed me. I couldn't read the whole lot. Can you screenshot and show me the whole lot? I'm going to read it.
Check your email. I've just sent you now. You went through the email. Check your email.
Just a moment. Just a moment.
Alright.
Frank, I read his reminder invitation for the gold bar dory.
Yeah.
Wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work. Okay.
Wouldn't work.
Exactly. I thought so.
Because he's asking CIF bring it to Hong Kong, it wouldn't work.
Yeah. You see the problem? CIA bring it to Hong Kong on final assay. Blah,
Well-
blah, blah. No.
Well, the buyer is a criminal.
Mm.
The buyer is a member of mafia.
Oh.
A member of mafia. They
Yeah,
think
yeah,
that
yeah.
they think that they can manipulate Africa.
Yes. Exactly.
As you know that Bank of England is shortage of gold bullion. They cannot even cater their client. Their client is in New York Bank.
Uh-huh. Wow.
It says on the articles I read on the articles that London Central Bank shortage of gold bullion. Now they are buying raw material, which is dory bar,
Yeah.
and refine, which is raw materials, because they couldn't cater their own customer to supply gold bullion. Gold bullion is a refine, which is with hallmark.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
You said it. Which means the prices are going to go up.
Well, the price right now is 3,000 per ounce.
You said it. Wow.
The dollar in dollars term is 90,450.
You said it last year. You said it in December.
Yes, I did, but these idiot people didn't listen. They're idiot.
It's true.
Now I just read the Kitco. There is a tendency that the gold will turn to 3,500. Yeah, 3,500 any moment. In dollars term is 112 per kilo. So this criminal, they wouldn't get the gold because Africa, they already wake up as well, because they were being ripped off by this gold launderer. Look at this Australian mining company. They were being arrested in Mali because they didn't remit the taxes. They are delinquent. Look at this Canadian. They were being seized because they haven't remit the taxes and royalty. They're big company, huh? They launder the gold of Africa.
They do. They launder the gold. They launder.
Yeah.
They do gold laundry and money laundry also.
Yes. They are big company because they are big. They can launder the money. They can launder the gold. Now what happened? They were being seized. Unless they pay $145 million of taxes. Yes. Go on my platform. I cut and paste their video that Mali seized the gold of Canadian mining company and also Australian mining company.
Yeah, Mali, they see some gold.
Mali have tons of gold.
Dumping it.
My seller had 10 tons of gold, but you wouldn't get the 10 tons of gold. You wouldn't. Unless you convince us that you have $1 million standby in your bank account.
Yeah.
And the buyer has to comply money laundering certificate that his fund is clean from illegal activities.
Yeah.
So that is how.
Wow.
So everybody is
So what you
crying.
gonna do?
Yeah.
These Hong Kong people.
These Hong Kong people are mafia.
They're mafia. Okay.
When the gold,
Going for conference.
when the gold arrive in their hand, Frank, they can hire the killer.
That's it.
Especially
That's true.
especially you're black and you don't speak Mandarin.
Their language.
Yeah, they can hire you. They can hire the goons to kill you.
That's true. Who's going to take 500 kg or even 1,000 a ton?
They don't have the money. They're going to launder. They're syndicate. They don't have $75 million in their bank account. They don't have.
Exactly.
They don't have. I just reject this. Yeah. No, I don't believe it. Unless the buyer send his business registration, importation license, his passport copy, and the proof of fund and money laundering certificate. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. That kind of buyer asking CIA Frank, he's a mafia, he's a gold launderer, and he's a criminal. Yes, he doesn't have the money. He doesn't have.
They don't know.
They cannot afford to pay the gold. They can only afford to pay taxes. No, we don't ask that to pay taxes. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. You can have the gold. If not, sayonara. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista na merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. In Italian, arrivederci Roma. Arrivederci. Sayonara, hasta la vista, gambati kudasai ne. In Japanese, sayonara, kyuskite. In Filipino, maraming salamat, paalam. In Italian, arrivederci Roma. In Spanish, hasta la vista, amigo. No money, good luck and bye. Something like that.
No money, no honey.
Yes, no money, no honey. They don't like this woman because this woman is very bold.
Yeah.
They don't like Wilhelmina.
You're right.
The criminal and the gold launderer, they hate a woman like me.
That's true.
They don't like to deal with this bold woman.
No.
Tough luck.
Right.
Tough luck.
I'll get back to you.
So don't worry, Frank. Don't waste the name. Don't waste the time of Jason. Don't waste it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, and thank God you're back in Finland.
Sure. Thank God. Yes.
All right.
If anything happens, I'll let you know. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Well. Today is February the 3rd. The time is 2:15 in the afternoon. I just finished having conference with Frank. This guy, he was been scammed in Nairobi, you must remember. And he found me on my YouTube channel. Most of my buyer coming from my video on YouTube, and they go through on my Facebook platform. I explain extensively. If you're a buyer, you need to pay attention. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be excited to come to WhatsApp and vote him and Skype. And if you don't know how to introduce yourself and you're gonna say hi, hello, my name is not hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. Like this Sanji. Sanji, if you're watching me, you found me in my YouTube channel. You didn't read the full corporate offer. You didn't watch the video properly. And then you asked my seller, you asked me to release my seller mining license, export license, and you don't even introduce yourself until I scrutinize you. You're a broker. You're collecting information. I don't mind if you collect information, but you need to be transparent. When anybody come to Wilhelmina and you ask for gold supply, you need to introduce yourself properly who you are. Because if you don't introduce yourself and then you're gonna say hi, hello, to me you're a joker. You're pretending to be a buyer. A real buyer doesn't talk bullshit, you must remember. fake buyer talk bullshit. And Sanji, you are not qualified, really, to be honest with you. I can say that. If you have an office in Ghana, why not you cannot find the gold in Ghana? And if you have an office in Conakry, Guinea, why you cannot find gold in Conakry? Why you come to Wilhelmina? And then when you search on YouTube, you found my video, and then you don't know whom you're talking, and you ask me, who am I? Did you not watch the video that this is Wilhelmina again? Now to all elite buyers, you've been searching for gold for many years and many months. Until now, you haven't even satisfied. And then you come to Wilhelmina. You wouldn't satisfy me at all. Especially if you don't introduce yourself. Like this Indian, he flew to Nairobi. Jay is acting on behalf of this Indian. He lost $55,000 because he said the buyer pay taxes. You don't need to pay taxes unless you see the gold. Unless you have signed a contract. Do not travel to Africa thinking you're gonna outsource gold. You are wasting your time. When you travel to Africa, meaning to say you are well prepared. You sign a contract with us, you place your order, how many quantity, what carat you're looking for, what purity you are looking for. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos here. Minimum at least 20 kilos because supply is shortage at the moment. Gold is tax haven, you must remember. Look at this London Central Bank. They cannot even cater their own customer because there's shortage of gold bullion. Gold bullion means refined. There is a hallmark on it. You are buying unrefined in order for you to refine into your refinery because you are going to sell it to the refinery. You are a gold trader, you buy and sell. And then you're asking CIF, you're bullshitting. Then you ask for LC letter of credit, the more you're bullshitting. And then you're asking SBLC, the more you're bullshit. Gold is not for bullshit buyer. The buyer must have a capital. The buyer must show business registration, importation license, passport copy, proof of fund that you have $1 million standby in your bank account, and money laundering certificate. Without that, don't bullshit because I'm sorry, you wouldn't get the gold from us. We are real. Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I've been in gold business since 2011, right? And you are using my services. Most of you, you went to Africa, failure. Don't come to Wilhelmina, then you're asking Wilhelmina, we are the buyer, CIF, don't bullshitting to Wilhelmina. Because gold is not for bullshit. I'm sorry if I'm very bold and I'm very brutal. Look at today. The world is on panic. Shortage of gold bullion. Now the company is buying raw materials where? In Africa. We have tons of gold. But how are you able to pay? If you're going to say, well, Amina, we are the buyer, show me. Show me your credential. Because I'm going to interview you. And if you read the full corporate on this video, after you listen, if you come to Wilhelmina on Skype, on WhatsApp, and bought him, I'm gonna ask you open your camera. Don't hide your face. Because a minute you are going to hide your face and you're scared to open your camera to me, your syndicate. Because I'm not in syndicate, I'm here. Can you look at my face? I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am the extension of the seller. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing. And you are going to use Wilhelmina's services. And I do charge my services as well. When you buy gold worth $1 million, worth $75 million, worth $82 million, Therefore, you are capable to pay my extra service. If you don't, meaning to say you are just bullshitting. I say this many times. Everybody knows Wilhelmina, but I don't know you guys. You go on my platform on YouTube, all of my buyer coming from YouTube, and they go through on my platform on Facebook. I'm traveling to Africa. Stop over in Dubai. The buyer pay my services because the buyer is scared. Yes, there are so many sellers will scam you. Scam means the seller will lie to you. The seller will deceive you, and also you are deceiving yourself. You're asking CIF. You're asking no upfront. There is no upfront here. You have to place your order. How many quantity? Show me your proof of fund before we're gonna confirm your order. On your letter of interest, you need to state how many kilos you want. What carat are you looking for? What purity are you looking for? What is the purpose of buying gold? You have to identify yourself when you come to Wilhelmina's conference. Do not say hi, hello. You already saw Wilhelmina on this YouTube channel, and then you say hi, hello. My goodness, what a stupid greeting is that? You're a professional businessman. You should know, hi, Wilhelmina. I watch your video. I go through on your procedure. I put the procedure very clear and simple and concise for you, the buyer, to understand that this is not for free. Gold is tax heaven. You are buying gold to make money. Your paper money has no value at the moment. Everybody looking for raw material, which is Doribar, because Doribar can make into a full step. Doribar can make into $1, $2. A Doribar can refine into 99.99 with hallmark, called gold bullion. Doribar can make into jewelry, wedding ring, bracelet, full step, spare parts on mobile phone, spare parts on laptop, medical uses, etc., etc. But if you are not reading the full corporate offer, I put everything, question and answer is already in front of you. I just finished talking to Frank. Frank sent me fake LOI cut and paste monetizing. Reject. The buyer is from Hong Kong. I told Frank, this buyer is a mafia. Why? Mafia are scared to be identified himself. A real buyer identify himself. A real buyer will send a letter of interest coming from him on his company letterhead is stating carats, the purity, where to be delivered, what mode of payment. A minute you're going to say CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, your LOI will be on the wheelie bin. Why? I already mentioned it. We don't deal CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. You have to pay the gold whether you like it or not, plus government sales tax. Look at this mining company. Australian mining company was being arrested because they are delinquent paying remitting taxes. Look at this Canadian. Their license and operation on Mali was seized because they owe the government $165 million. And you as a small timer, your syndicate, your criminal, your mafia, you wouldn't meet the criteria with Wilhelmina. I'm telling you. Everybody knows me, but I don't know anybody. They come to my platform on my YouTube. You listen, you read, you gain knowledge. Knowledge is worth $1 million. There is no such joker broker will provide these kinds of knowledge. I've been in marketing for 36 years, buying and selling. You have to pay for it, whether you like it or not. Regardless of the price on the world market, our selling price LBMA. Regardless. If you don't have the cash to show even bank statement that you have 75 million or 80 million, I wouldn't believe it. Or $500,000, I wouldn't believe it. You're gonna say, oh, like J. Dibumori. I rejected him this morning. Now I'm cleaning. I'm going to mention your name. so that you are going not to embezzle the country of Africa. I'm sorry, guy, if I mention your name. We are now on the social media. You can be exposed. Those joker broker hates my guts. They say I'm a scammer. I don't know how much I scam this bloody stupid joker broker. If I'm a scammer, I would not show my face. You guys, you're hiding your face to me you're a scammer because you don't want to open your camera when I interview you. Therefore, you are considered mafia, you are considered criminal, you are considered scammer. Criminal and scammer, they're scared to show their faces. Why? Our conversation is recording live. Look at Frank. Frank is not scared. He lost money in Nairobi, $450,000. Now when you saw me on my YouTube channel, he was pleased. He was very happy. He said, Madam, I should found you in before. I said, well, too late. Look at this guy. This guy from Netherlands. He went to Dubai, opened a company. He went to the Vora Hotel. I was staying. He met me with a cup of coffee. Just a small timer. He went to Sierra Leone, lost money. And he said Sierra Leone full of scammer. He's also one of the scammer. Why? He's looking for cheap price. He was offered $35,000 2 years ago. What happened? Disaster. Another German. He met me on Holiday Inn when I was staying. Every time I fly to Africa, I always stop over for just one night to meet the buyer. None of them meet the criteria. None of them. Those buyers in Dubai, if you want to buy gold, come on Botem because I'm going to interview you. I would not meet anybody unless I have spoken to any buyer from Dubai live video call on Botem because I can identify whether you are buyer or not. Dubai is a hub of launderer. Dubai government has changed. You registered your company in Dubai because Dubai is very lenient, but the Bank of Dubai will question you when you transfer the money in Africa. Why? Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. So you as the buyer, you need to apply anti-money laundering certificate before you buy this precious mineral. You've been floating around. You went to Ghana, you went to Kampala, you went to Nairobi, you went to Sierra Leone, you went to Mali, you went to Conakry. What happened? Disaster. And then you come to Wilhelmina for help. Wilhelmina is not a policewoman. I am here to assist the buyer. My seller owned the mines. He produced gold. We have tons of gold. But the question is, how are you able to pay? That is the question. Now, Mr. Buyer, as you know today, the world is on panic. Central Bank of New York is waiting for gold bullion, and the Central Bank of London cannot cater why shortage of gold bullion. We are not selling gold bullion here. We're not. That is refined. We are selling unrefined. That is why the bank now, they are now moving to buy raw material, which is a Doribar. Raw material means unrefined. They buy the bulk unrefined, then they're gonna bring it to the refinery of their choice to refine into gold bullion so that they can supply their own customer. We are the exporter. My seller has the license to export. My seller has license to mine. My seller owns the mines. But you would not see the credential of my seller unless you pass through Wilhelmina. I want to see again, as I mentioned a few seconds ago, I want to see a certificate of clearance that you have money standby in your bank account, certificate of anti-money laundering. a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, passport copy. Without that, you wouldn't get the gold. At least when you found this video, you are going to learn from Wilhelmina. Put this into your back of your head, Mr. Buyer. Because broker would not explain to you like this. My seller hired Wilhelmina. I only charge you extra. If you cannot afford to pay my extra, meaning to say, you cannot afford to pay the gold. Simple as that. Because when I charge you extra service of mine, I am going to assist you. I have to travel with you in order to assist you properly. And my services is non-refundable. How much I'm going to charge you? You're going to ask, Wilhelmina, how much you charge? 20,000 at the moment. When the gold raised 3,500, my services increase. I will charge 25 to 30,000. If you have no money, you wouldn't be able to afford it. If you're a small timer pretending to be a buyer, a gold trader, forget about it. Stay away in this gold business. Because I'm telling you, if you are not well prepared, you are going to encounter disaster. 100% guaranteed. I know a lot of buyers roaming around, chasing. You don't need to chase. We are here. Go on my platform on Facebook. You watch on my YouTube channel. I explain it. I put the full corporate offer. If you didn't go to school, I'm sure you wouldn't comprehend. But if you went to school, you're a professional, you will comprehend what I explain. I put everything, what necessary you are going to comply, what the seller will provide you when your payment would be clear. Because your payment will register from your bank account to the seller's bank account that you paid what you order. It would reflect the cash inflow that you have paid the gold. Because the seller has to tell his government that he's going to export. The seller will remit the tax. The tax in Mali, 7%. The tax in Conakry, now they reduce it. My seller was telling me 5.5%. In Sierra Leone, 5.5%. In Ghana, 7%. In every country, tax bracket is different. Now, our selling price is tax included. Regardless whatever the price on the world market today, LBMA, let us discuss how much I'm going to give you discount. You need to convince Wilhelmina. Okay? You go on Kitco. I want you to go on Kitco, Mr. Buyer. I want you to do the due diligence, because when you come to Wilhelmina, we're going to ask your credential. If you don't know how to show me your credential, to me, you are not a buyer. You are joker buyer. Either you are criminal, either you are mafia, either you are gold launderer. I'm very frank and brutal. Why you cannot show your face when I call you on video? Why? Why are you scared? Meaning to say you're a criminal. Meaning to say you're syndicate mafia. There are so many syndicate mafia buyers, so many, pretending why? Their money is dirty. Their money is coming from drug. Proceed. Well, if you come to Wilhelmina, I'm going to ask, be honest with Wilhelmina. How much money you have available in your bank account? Show me the proof of fund. Your money would not be stolen. I need to see it in order to vouch you that I have validated you. Then we will send you mining license. Then we will confirm your order. Then we will send you the contract. Then we will send you the company profile of the seller. Then we will send you the mining map of the seller that the gold is coming from his mining site. We are very thorough. You would not meet the criteria if you are not really paying attention. I just rejected Sanjay I was talking to Franklin. He come from holiday from Africa. He said there's a lot of buyers stranded. I was talking to Jay, a fellow Indian, is stranded in Nairobi. And then he asked me if I could help him. I said, no, I'm not. I am not here to sort out your problem. You travel to Africa, you created your own problem. Why? Because you are crook. You're looking for cheap price. Gold is not cheap. You will get profit. Fair is fair. Talk to Wilhelmina. How are you able to get this raw material, Mr. Buyer? Just go on my platform on YouTube and go on my platform on Facebook. I want you to read. Do not come for conference unless you are not prepared. I want you to be well prepared. Because when I interview you, meaning to say you understood what you are reading on the full corporate in front of you. Subscribe, click below. It says see more. Click that. Read it. Time to time. I only come for conference when I interview the buyer and the price of gold. Now, today is Monday. Just a moment. I'm going to look at the price of gold of the day. Just a moment. There's so many commercial interrupting on my screen. Okay, gold. Gold odds. Now, the price of gold at the moment is down. Few minutes ago this morning was 90,000. Okay? Now is down to 89,347.82 per ounce is 2,780.16. So the price of gold, it bounced back. So you cannot just fix it because the price of gold, it bounced back. Now, Mr. Buyer, come to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, I need raw materials. I need 500 kilos. Wilhelmina, I need 1 ton. We have. Show me your credential. Then we can do business. Yeah? And open your camera. Before you come for conference, I want you to watch this video. I want you to click, subscribe, read the full corporate offer on this video. Don't come to talk to Wilhelmina unless you comprehend. Because I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? And then you're going to say, Wilhelmina, I watched your video, okay? You did watch the video. What date? Did you really read the full corporate offer? Not really. Go back and read again. Because when you come for conference, meaning to say you are ready to proceed, then we will send you the contract. Then you will receive the credential of my seller. On the contract, I will only sign that you came from Wilhelmina because I am the gatekeeper. I am going to recommend and I am going to determine which seller I'm going to take you. Either in Mali, you want 10 tons? Yes. But how are you able to pay? You want Conakry 1 ton, 2 tons? Yes. How are you able to pay? You want tons in Sierra Leone? Yes. Show me. Because there is rules and regulation in every country. Do not cut corner. If you go there, good luck. If you meet an accident, if you fail and if you lose money, don't tell Wilhelmina. Every day I receive a sad story. Who created the sad story? You are. I've been to Africa many times. I met a lot of sad stories. I told this Indian, most Indians are clever, on European, they think that they can get the gold. They said, I have an office, bring the gold to my office. What for? You never know your hold upper. We have an office. You have to come to the office. My seller has a big office. My seller owns the company. My seller has 7 companies. We don't bring the gold to you. You are going to buy money to make money. You must remember. We don't bring money to you. Gold is money. And what happens if we come to your office and then you're going to hire the killer? No, we don't. When you come to the office, CCTVs are everywhere. On the first floor, security guard. Second floor, security guard. Third floor, you will see. There's a lot of people. When you inspect the gold, the room will be closed. And I'm going to be with you. You don't need to be scared. I'm here. When I travel to Africa, I don't have any security guard. Why? My seller loves me. My seller trusts me. You will only be safe when Wilhelmina be with you. You will not be safe if Wilhelmina is not around. Why? African seller is very hard. Recently, we reject the big quantity. This buyer, bullshit. We reject it. He signed the contract. And then the buyer making lots of stories. At the end of the day, we notice it that the buyer is going to leverage to borrow money in the bank. He doesn't have the money. The contract has been fall over. Next. So who's the loser? The buyer. We are not a loser because the world is crying at the moment. Central Bank is buying raw material, you must remember. So don't be a fool, Mr. Buyer. Listen to this woman. I've been in marketing for 36 years. I used to be in real estate. I was the one who brought this. I'm cleaning Africa. That's why the seller hired me to clean Africa because they were being deceived as well. You as a buyer, you are deceitful. Why? You ask for CIF. You ask for LC, you don't have the money. You ask for SBLC. You ask for black fund. Why are you going to block the fund? Then you want the gold to come to you and then you're going to murder my seller? Forget it. Big no-no. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. The time here is 2:44 in the afternoon, February the 3rd. So the price is ups and down. Go on the world market. I will give you the site www.goldprice.org. You as the buyer, do the research. Don't ask Wilhelmina, what is the price? Use your brain. Use your initiative. If you went to school, you should understand. You are a gold trader, you know the price. You know Dubai has no gold. You know Dubai is a desert. You know that. The gold in Dubai, they will refine it and then resell it to their own customer. That is not our business. Our business, we have the gold, you have the money, we have the raw material. Simple as that. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. As I've said, regardless of the world market price, our selling price, LBMA. Talk to Wilhelmina. We will discuss how much you are able to get the gold. And we are very flexible. You must remember, you are using Wilhelmina's services. I do charge $20,000 at the moment. When the price goes up, maybe next month, March, April, my services also increase. Why? My services is peanuts. Ticket is getting expensive. Hotel is getting expensive. Everything is getting expensive. I just done the groceries. Groceries getting higher and higher. Here in Australia, our government sales tax is 10%. I don't have any complaint. And you said, I don't want to pay upfront. There's no upfront. There's none. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. And you will be invited. The real seller will invite you. Do not travel with no invitation. Do not travel to Africa if the seller say, we have the gold, pay taxes. You are waiting for disaster. I'm telling you. You will not get the gold because the government will not give you certificate of clearance that you have paid the gold in order to reflect the cash inflow. Did the seller explain to you like that? No. Only this woman. This woman loves you. So come to Wilhelmina, show me your credential, then we can do business.